Jambo, Hotep Kings and Queens. Karibu to this episode of the So Did You Know lecture, where we share ancient African history and we enlighten our black brothers and sisters.
So be it. Go so be it.
So, during the kingdom of Dynasty, or the Nubian kingdom, this is 3,600 to 3,200 years before Christ is born. Here, the Osirian drama becomes popular. And now, as the Ethiopian Nubian kings and queens move from Nubia in Ethiopia into Kemet, then we enter into the second Kemetic Dynasty, which is the period between 2,890 years to 2,686 years before Christ is born. Now the second dynasty is ruled by King Hotep Sekemui, then followed by King Reneb, followed by King Nuneter, who reigns for about 38 years, then followed by King Peretsen, who is a strong advocate of Seth, the brother of the great Asa, who is the equivalent of Cain and Abel in the biblical religious story. Then he is followed by King Kasekemu. Both the first and second dynasties of Kemetic monarchs were buried in tombs at Saqqara called mastabas. Royal centaphars or false tombs were constructed at Aju or Abydos at the south of Egypt. This is the birthplace of King Asa or Osiris. The third Kemetic dynasty, also known as the Memphite dynasty, is the period during 2,686 years to 2,613 years before Christ is born. Here we see the rule of King Sanecht, who established a Kemetic presence in the Sinai Peninsula, where Moses apparently found the Ten Commandments in 1020 BC. Then we see the sailing of ships by Bejmes, who is a noted shipbuilder during this period. We see the rule of King Zoser and the construction of the Step Pyramid or the Step Pamer, the world's first massive stone building, is seen during this time. Then the great, brilliant administrator, architect, author, physician, scientist, and priest, the King Imhotep, rules. He is the user of natron to build the pyramids. Imhotep is the famous student from the Temple of Djoser in the year 2650 BC. Then we see King Sekemket, who begins the construction of a step pyramid at Saqqara. Then King Kaba starts the construction of the layer pyramid at Zawit at Arian. Then King Huni starts the construction of a major pyramid at Meidum. Important gods observed during this period are Atum, Hathor, or also known as Heru. Heru himself, Nate, Ptah, Ra, and Set.
So, tribe, support our Sons of SOU channel. You know we're bringing the light. Like. Because you care, share. And don't wait another moment. Comment. So, tribe. Subscribe. Let us know Mambo on our socials below. Sawa? Kwaheri, So tribe.